One of the fastest growing markets in the country is Missouri, where pre-roll revenues are already up by 26.1% this year compared to 2023. But Missouri regulations have some interesting quirks to it that you need to know about to make sure you stay on the side of compliance. But don't worry, the pre-roll experts have a solution. Laws in the Show Me State require you to do just that. Show that your pre-rolls contain THC by using a special red diamond logo that says THC with an M under it. Missouri law states, except as specifically identified herein, labeling requirements apply to containers, wrappers, packages, and methods of administration that contain marijuana product, except seeds or plants. The labels required herein are not required on the paper for pre-rolls. But while the paper is exempt, the filter, or crutch, is not, and can actually be considered the method of administration. Which is why we created our special Missouri designer cones that feature the red warning diamond and the word marijuana printed right on the crutch. These special pre-roll cones come in two sizes, the 109mm full gram cone and our 84mm half gram cone, in both our ultra-refined white paper and our natural brown, and always tested for pesticides, heavy metals, and microbials. So if you're in Missouri, be sure to check out these hot new cones pre-printed with the required state warning label. Call the pre-roll experts today and request a sample. You'll be glad you did. All right, that's it for today. Remember to subscribe and ring that bell to stay up to date on all things pre-roll. Thanks for watching.